Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to make this antique phone. So what we need this kind of wood. I just got these things in the library in the section of craft. Some pieces of wood, long, and this is a wire, very tiny one. This is the pin for the golf I used to. And what else? I just this is some beads. I have a couple of them. I select what is suitable. This is like half moon. I select what is suitable for the project and I use them. I keep collecting these things and I see what is suitable for the project. Okay, so, and this is a plastic, a yogurt box, plastic. So let's go and see what we are going to do. I'm going to put this here by a little bit pressure. I was lucky that it's really fitting. And I will send it from up like this, so it will be a little bit flat. Also, I am going to use this stick and cut a small piece to put it here, like that. I'm using here quick glue, which is fast. That's because of the reason that I am using here. I'm making a video and I need the steps to be faster, but I prefer the PVA glue. So I will cut this piece, the golf pin, and I will trim. I come from up, I make a hole, because from that hole I'm going to put the hand, and in front I will make some kind of 5-hole circle to indicate that this is the speaker for the phone. That's the first one. It's like that. So I have two pieces. One of them will be straight, the other one is going to have like this. Other one, it will be like a little bit bent. Now that's the stick. I will make one hole here and one hole in the other side. I can use any homemade tool. I'm using here this, and I will put a little bit of this tooth pick, make a little bit hole and try to make it a little bit like loose so it will fit inside perfectly. I put some of the beads, one in the center and two on the sides, to give a nice antique look to the phone. One straight and one inside. You can make both of them the same direction, it's okay, but I find out that this direction is much more good. Now it's a little bit bigger, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make a mark here and I'll cut it to make it shorter. I will stick these two together. I'll put glue. As I said, I prefer PVA glue, but it takes time. But I'm using here the super glue for the quick process because of the video. It's like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to take this wire and turn it around like that. Now I have green color. If you find a black color, that will be super. If you don't find, then I use here the green and I spray it with the black spray. I put this bead here in the end, like that, and I'm using the glue. I spray it to gold. Now I will make a circle, because that's the one which is having the numbers. I'll cut it and then make it round. I use the sandpaper to make it smooth. It doesn't have to be fat too much. I mean, it's thin, but it's okay. I don't need more than that. Okay, now I have a plastic sheet. I will have to make similar size circle. And I'll cut it and I make holes around for the numbers. I mean, the new generation, they have no idea about this phone. The old generation, they will understand what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to mark where I'm going to make the holes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll leave this space and one in the center. I'll put this pin in the center and I glue it like that. Now I colored the phone. I used stain color and I try to collect all the pieces together. After I spray them, I put them in place. Now I make this phone brown color. You can make it black or you can make any color you want. But brown, it's really yummy. It's really good. I like it. Now after the spray dried, I have to put the pieces together. Now these are two pieces are wood, so PV glue will be okay. But as I said before, I'm using here super glue because I want it to be quickly. Here we go. Yes. Now I have to connect now the wire. From up and from down. Perfect. I love this one. Yes, say hi. Say say mashallah. It's good. Mashallah. So you can try to do it. Show me your work. Mention to me. Leave a nice comment for me in the description box and tell me what you want me to do, what next you want to do. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. Last step here and not least, just we will use some resin to make it shiny and to look great. That's a phone I did before, and you can make it black. Actually, black and gold looks good. And that's a brown one, and that's black. Love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you. These are a couple of phones I have done before. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.